Okay, representing integers on the number line. Now to represent integers on a number line, follow the steps given below. Now see the first step, draw a straight line. Okay, first draw a straight line and mark a point on it as 0. So first we will draw a straight line. See, we will draw a straight line. And we will mark one point and give that point as 0. Okay. अभी 0 के लेफ्ट साइड में सारे नेगेटिव वैल्यूज होते हैं, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. सिमिलरली 0 के राइट साइड में सारे पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज होंगे आपके. ओके, 4, 5, 6, 7. ओके, सो इस तरीके से नंबर लाइन हम लोग ड्रॉ करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या था, ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन एंड मार्क अ पॉइंट ऑन इट एज 0. मार्क points at equal distance. Pay attention here. Mark points at equal distance. That means 0 से 1 के बीच में जितना डिस्टेंस है उतना ही डिस्टेंस 1 से 2 के बीच में चाहिए, 2 से 3 के बीच में. सारे पॉइंट्स के बीच में डिस्टेंस सेम चाहिए. ओके, when you will draw it exactly with the scale, you will get it correctly. Okay, yesterday I have sent you the PDF. Vaishnavi, check the group. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में क्या है, ये होने के बाद में थर्ड स्टेप में लेबल द पॉइंट्स टू द राइट of 0 as 1 2 3 4 dash 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 so on, and the points to the left of 0 as -1 -2 -3 4 -4 dash 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 so on. Okay, तो लेफ्ट साइड में सारे नेगेटिव वैल्यूज होते हैं, राइट साइड में सारे पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज होते हैं. नेक्स्ट लास्ट स्टेप में आपको क्या करना है, प्लेस द एरो एट बोथ द एंड्स ऑफ द नंबर लाइन इंडिकेटिंग दैट द लाइन extends till infinity in both the directions. Infinity का meaning क्या है? What do you mean by infinity? What do you mean by infinity? What do you mean by infinity? Yes, send me your answers in the chat box. Unlimited, uncountable. Okay, in simple words, uncountable. Uncountable numbers को हम लोग infinite numbers बोलते हैं, infinite value बोलते हैं. जो चीज हम लोग count नहीं कर सकते, that is called as infinite. Okay. So next, comparison of integers, that also we have seen I think yesterday, but we will see the properties now. All the positive integers are greater than negative integers. Yes or no? All the positive integers are greater than negative integer. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? It is true, because every positive value, it is greater than the negative value. Okay, अभी 0 ना ही पॉजिटिव होता है ना ही नेगेटिव होता है. ओके, सो पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज जो है वो ग्रेटर देन 0 होते हैं एंड ग्रेटर देन नेगेटिव वैल्यूज भी होते हैं. सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी, all positive integers are greater than 0. Now you can see 0 के राइट साइड में होते हैं सारे पॉजिटिव वैल्यूज, और मैंने आपको बताया था कि 0 के राइट साइड में सब कुछ ग्रेटर होगा 0 से. ओके, so this is again the number line, -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6 -7. Okay, so all the positive integers are what? They are greater than 0. Next property, what it is? All negative integers are less than 0. See, आप negative integers देखो पूरे left side में है 0 के. Okay, so all the negative integers are less than 0. ओके, ग्रेटर देन होते हैं ना तो वो जीरो के राइट साइड में आता है, जो कुछ भी ग्रेटर देन होता है वो जीरो के राइट साइड में आता है, जो लेस देन होता है वो जीरो के लेफ्ट साइड में होता है। इज इट क्लियर टू यू? प्लीज से यस और नो। Okay. Next, for comparing positive integers, the number to the rightmost side of the number line is greater. Pay attention, huh? The number to the rightmost side is greater. अभी मुझे बोलो, ये नंबर लाइन जो मैंने यहाँ पे ड्रॉ किया है, इसमें राइट मोस्ट साइड में कौन सा नंबर है? Which number is on the rightmost side? Correct, 7. Which number is on the rightmost side? It is 7. तो बाकी जितने भी नंबर्स है अभी ये नंबर लाइन में, ये सारे क्या है? 7 से छोटे हैं, 7 सबसे बड़ा है, बिकॉज इट इज ऑन द राइट मोस्ट साइड। इज इट क्लियर टू यू? आर्या मिरकट, राइट मोस्ट साइड ये है, राइट लेफ्ट समझ में आता है कि आपको? राइट, दिस इज राइट एंड दिस इज लेफ्ट। ओके, सो राइट मोस्ट साइड का नंबर क्या है? 7। बाकी जितने भी नंबर्स है ये नंबर लाइन के, ये सारे 7 से छोटे हैं, 7 सबसे बड़ा है। नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, फॉर कंपेयरिंग नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स द नंबर टू द लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड ऑफ द नंबर लाइन इज स्मॉलर। नाउ टेल मी विच नंबर इज टू द लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड? यस, नेगेटिव नंबर्स आर स्मॉलर देन जीरो, पलक। ओके, लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में है -7। लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में कौन सा नंबर है? -7। तो -7, ये जितने भी नंबर्स है ये नंबर लाइन पे, सबसे छोटा कौन सा है इसमें? -7 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर बिकॉज इट इज ऑन द लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड। इज इट क्लियर टू यू? जो नंबर सबसे राइट में होगा दैट विल बी द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर या फिर ग्रेटर नंबर, जो नंबर सबसे लेफ्ट मोस्ट साइड में होगा दैट विल बी द स्मॉलर नंबर। ओके, चलो फिर नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज 1.1। पे अटेंशन, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राइट all the integers between -10 and 5. So you need to draw a number line first. ये क्वेश्चन का आपको आंसर अगर लिखना है तो सबसे पहले आप नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करोगे। ओके, so this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Extend this line, huh? -9, and this is your -10. This is your -11. ओके, इतना आपको एक्सटेंड करना है। तो अभी देखो मार्क करेंगे हम लोग, -10 यहाँ पे है और +5 यहाँ पे है। तो हमको क्या पूछा है? राइट ऑल द इंटीजर्स बिटवीन -10 एंड 5। नाउ यू कैन सी -9 इज ऑल्सो कमिंग, -8 इज ऑल्सो कमिंग, -7 इज ऑल्सो कमिंग, -6 is also coming, -5 is also coming, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these integers. Yes, you have to draw the number line, Palak. ओके, तो इसका आंसर अभी ये नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करने के बाद आप नीचे लिखोगे द इंटीजर्स that lie between -10 and 5 are -9 comma -8 comma -7 comma -6 comma -5 comma -4 comma -3 comma -2 comma -1 0 1 2 3 and 4. In this way you will write the answer. Vaishnavi, there is a network issue from your end. That's why you're not able to see. Afterwards, you can check the video. No, we will not include -10 and 5. Palak. Yes, we have to write 0 also, Arya. So this is the answer of the first question. If you want, you can take the screenshot so that you can write it in the rough notebook, CW, whatever you have made it. If you have last year's 200 pages book with you, okay, blank book, then you can make it as a CW. And if you're not having it, then you will write it in the rough notebook. And afterwards, when you will get it, when you will get the books from school, that time you write everything in the CW. No, no, I will not send anything on WhatsApp group. You have to complete it with me only. I will just send you the video after the session, recording of the session. Question is displayed on the screen, beta. You can take the screenshot. Everything is there on the screen. Otherwise, you can write it with me only during the running session. If you want to complete it afterwards, then you need to check the video and then complete it. Okay. Next question. Write the predecessor and successor of the following integers. Now, predecessor ka meaning hai. What do you mean by predecessor? If you are having last year's blank book, then you can make it as a CW. Before, correct. Predecessor ka meaning hai before value. Okay, before number, before value. Okay. And successor का मीनिंग क्या है? आफ्टर, आफ्टर नंबर या फिर आफ्टर वैल्यू. ओके. सो प्रीडिसर 56 का प्रीडिसर क्या आएगा? व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू बिफोर 56? इट विल बी 55. सो प्रीडिसर of 56 will be equal to 55. In this way only you will write down the answers. Okay. Next is successor of 56. Yani after 56, what do you get? 57. So in this way you will write down the answer. Okay, predecessor of 56 is equal to 55 and successor of 56 is equal to 57. Notes yesterday only I have sent it, beta. Please check yesterday's WhatsApp group, what was sent on the group. Next question. Write the predecessor and successor of the following integer. Next integer is -205. So predecessor यानी before वाला number. So before number, what is the before number of -205? -205. what will be the predecessor of minus 205? Okay, forget about it. Pay attention. Whatever I am telling now, pay attention. Suppose this is your number line, huh? 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, and this is minus 4. This is minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now tell me the predecessor of 2. Predecessor of 2 यानी 2 के left की value. Okay. Predecessor of 2 means the value to the left of 2, that is 1. So predecessor of 2 is what? 1. And what is the successor of 2? It is the right side value of this 2, that is 3. Okay. Predecessor यानी left side वाली value and successor means the right side value. So 2 का predecessor होगा 1 और 2 का successor होगा 3. Similarly minus 2 का predecessor बोलो मुझे. minus 2 का predecessor. It will be minus 3, the left side value. It will be the minus 3, the left side value. And what will be the successor? It will be minus 1, the right side value. तो वैसे ही अभी मुझे आप बोलोगे predecessor of, no need to draw the number line, predecessor of minus 205. It will be minus 206. It will be minus 206. Successor of minus 204, sorry, 205, it will be minus 204. Okay. Next one. Predecessor of 13. It will be 12. And successor of 13, it will be 14. Okay. Next. Predecessor of minus 56. It will be minus 57. And successor means बाद वाली value, minus 56 के right side वाली value, it will be minus 55. Is it clear to you? Okay. See the next question then. Write the additive inverse. What do you mean by additive inverse? Yes. First tell me, what do you mean by additive inverse? What do you mean by additive inverse? What do you mean by additive inverse? Anyone? Harsh Lahoti, it's wrong. Okay, pay attention. Now see what they have asked. Pay attention, everyone. Pay attention here. What they have asked, we have to write the additive inverse of 115. Okay. तो additive inverse means यहाँ पे ये क्या value given है हमको 115. It's plus. सो इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा, -115, क्योंकि जब हम ये दोनों का सम करते हैं, ओके, सम जब करेंगे तो सम 0 आता है, देखो। ओके, तो number, write it like this. First I will clear everything. Pay attention. Number plus its additive inverse is equal to 0. यानी जो नंबर है और उसका एडिटिव इनवर्स, ये दोनों का सम करने के बाद आंसर आता है 0. ओके, आंसर आता है 0. तो यहाँ पे नंबर क्या है हमारा, व्हाट इज द नंबर गिवन टू अस हियर, व्हाट इज द नंबर गिवन टू अस हियर, 115. सो 115 प्लस इसका एडिटिव इनवर्स क्या हो जाएगा, -115. जस्ट रिवर्स द साइन, चेंज द साइन. ओके, and see both the sum is coming 0. So therefore what we can write, additive inverse, additive inverse of 115 is -115. Okay, so additive inverse of 115 is -115. In this way only you will write down the answer. Okay, if you want I will wait for 2 minutes, you can write it. Okay, next one, chalo. -20. So again, number plus its additive inverse it should come equal to 0. So what is the number given to us here? -20. So its additive inverse will be what? +20. It will come, then it will come equal to 0. So therefore, additive inverse of -20 is +20. Therefore, additive inverse of -20 is +20. If you don't write this plus sign, then also it's okay. अगर आप सिर्फ 20 भी लिखोगे तो भी चलता है, +20 भी लिखोगे तो भी चलता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन चलो. -569. So number plus its additive inverse it is equal to 0. So what is the number here? 569. So its additive inverse will be what? 569. Then only the sum will come 0. So therefore what we can write? Additive inverse of -569 is +569, या फिर सिर्फ 569 भी लिख सकते हो आप विदाउट द प्लस साइन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. 75. Number plus its additive inverse is equal to 0. So number is 75. So its additive inverse will be what? Minus 75. Then only the sum will come 0. So therefore, additive inverse of 75 is minus 75. Additive inverse of 75 is minus 75. Next question. Represent the following integers on the number line. So you need to draw a number line first. You need to draw a number line first. You need to represent my minus 8 on the number line. This is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4, this is minus 5, this is minus 6, this is minus 7, and this is minus 8. 1, 2, 3. You will draw the number line with scale only. Okay, and the distance between two numbers should be of 1 centimeter. So mark this. This is your point minus 8. Okay. This is your point minus 8. Similarly, next, you have to represent 3 on the number line. Again, you will draw a number line. Okay. So where is 3? This is 3. So this will be your point. This will be your point, and you will represent it like this. Every time you will draw the number line, and that too with scale only. Next point. You have to represent minus 2 on the number line. चलो आप लोग ड्रॉ कीजिए और रिप्रेजेंट कीजिए आपके बुक में. Draw it in your book and represent minus 2 on the number line. Minus 2, it's not plus 2, it's minus 2. So again, you will draw the number line. This is the center, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and minus 4. So this is your point minus 2. You have to represent it on the number line. And last one that you have to represent on the number line is 0. 0 exactly center में आ जाएगा फिर. Okay. Because this is your 0 position. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. So this is your point. Make a circle like this. So in this way, we have completed the first 4 questions of this exercise 1.1. Okay. On Monday, we will continue with the exercise. If anything is incomplete, you can go through the video, see the video and complete the pending work. Okay. अगर आपने कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है तो भी no problem, you can go through the video and write down everything in the rough notebook CW whatever you have made. Okay. After the session I will send you the recording of the session. So is there any doubt to anyone? Please give response. Okay. So see the video and complete the pending work. This exercise is still remaining. Only first 4 questions we have completed. There are few more questions in this exercise. The next part will be covered on Monday. Okay, bye to everyone.